Good morning, students. Today we will see the lesson Computer Languages and Software. How do we communicate to others? We communicate by some other languages. How do the computer understand the language? The computer understand the language zeros and ones only.
In the same way, you need to give instructions to a computer in a language that it understands. Such a language is called a computer programming language. Computer languages have developed in various stages is known as generation. They are first and second generation languages, third generation languages, fourth generation languages, and fifth generation languages. First one is machine language or first generation language. It is the most basic computer language. It is also the first programming language developed for computers. Each instruction is written in the form of zeros and ones. Instructions given in any other language are first converted into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Next, assembly language or second generation language. Assembly language has the same structure and set of commands as that of a machine language. However, it uses words based on the English alphabet in place of zeros and ones. Next, high-level languages or third generation languages. The low-level languages were computer specific. This led to the development of another set of computer languages that could run on any type of computer. They are called high-level languages. Some popular high-level languages are C, C++, C#, BASIC, and COBOL. Next, fourth generation languages. Fourth generation languages are used to develop software and or complex programming languages. Some popular fourth generation languages are SQL, FoxPro, Stata, Oracle, and Visual Basic. And last one is artificial intelligence languages or fifth generation languages. Fifth generation languages are still at the experimental stage and are being developed for the future. Once developed, these languages will make the computer solve a given problem without a programmer. Robots are an example of systems working with artificial intelligence. Next topic is computer software and its types. Software is a collection of computer programs containing instruction about how, when, and what a computer has to do. A software can be stored in any of the computer storage devices. Software can be classified into two types: system software and application software.
System software. System software is developed to operate and control the computer hardware. It also acts as a platform for running the application software loaded in a computer. System software can be further classified into the following types:
Operating system, device drivers, utility programs, language processor or translator. And next one is application software and its types. A computer uses an application software to do tasks given by the user. An application software is used for one specific purpose. It can be further classified into the following types:
general purpose software,
word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, database management system, desktop publishing software. The last topic is number system. In early days, people used fingers, handspan, stones, pebbles, and sticks to count. Counting with these was not accurate. So, with the passage of time, many number systems were introduced. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9, with the base 10. These numbers can be used separately or can be grouped to form higher numbers. For example, 55, 299, 658. Next number system is binary number system. This binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1, with the base 2 is known as the binary number system. A computer understands the language written only in binary form. A computer expresses all data in terms of two digits, that is 0 and 1. Some examples of binary numbers are 101, 11101, 100101 and so on. I hope you understood the lesson. So you have to read the objective type questions. I will give some exercise. First Roman letter. Choose the correct answer. First one, C, C++ and C hash are types of which of the following? A. High level languages. B. Low level languages. C. Machine languages. The answer is high level languages. Second one, Windows 7 is an option A. Operating system, B. System software and C. Utility program. The answer is operating system. Third one, which of the following is the base of the binary number system? Option A 2, option B 10, option C 4. The answer is 2. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, the first and second generation languages are dash languages. Answer is machine and assembly languages. Second one, artificial intelligence languages are dash generation languages. Answer is fifth generation languages. Third one, some popular dash generation languages are SQL, FoxPro, Stata, Oracle and Visual Basic. Answer is fourth generation languages. Next Roman letter is name the following. First one, number system that consists of 10 digits 0 to 9 with the base 10. Answer is decimal number system. Second one, number system consists of only 2 digits 0 and 1 with the base 2. Answer is binary number system. Third one, software used to do specific task. Answer is application software. Next Roman letter is give two examples for each of the following. First one, third generation languages. Answer is C, C++. Second one, operating systems. Answer is Windows 7, Windows 10. Third one, word processing software. Answer is WordPerfect, OpenOffice Writer. Thank you students.